These are the keys to my sister's car. It's showtime! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 15 feet. These are keys to other cars. This is to my Corolla. It's got an immobilizer chip in it. So does the CrV. Let's see if the car is going to start. Go to the car. Simple as walking over, right? I opened up the car door. With my Corolla, the key's got to be within 3 feet, else the car won't start. I got a light. To start, hold remote near start button. So the car won't start in this distance. Let's go get the keys. How close does the keys got to be by the car? Let's see if the car will start. Let's do one more. And car won't start. The keys are right here. Let's give it a start. Hey, thank you. Appreciate those keys. Yeah, I need another person to do this. So, I see my light going, right? Let's hit the start button. I'm good to go. Now, how close does the keys really got to be near to have the car start? They're in the back seat. My light's solid. It's going to start. If the light starts to flash, that means the key's not near. Where is the sensor in the car? Got to be by the shifter. So, if I want to start my car, my keys are going to be right outside, right over here. I just dropped them. I get the warning. So why does the key start when it's in the back of the car, but not in the car? I didn't lean that far. The key's in the back of the car. It starts inside the car. As long as you got the keys in the car, it's going to start. Oh man, this is quite dumb. Well, some of the questions we ask on the forum about alarm systems, people may think these are alarms. Because over here it says immobilizer chip. Doesn't mean it's an alarm system. It just means it has a cutoff to the electrical system. Some of the cars will flash a car and a lock. The immobilizer's in the key. It'll start the car. I understand we have a problem with the horn. Troubleshooting will start at the horn and the driver's seat. Somewhere those two will meet up to the trouble. A start and the end. If you go underneath the car and find the horn, and like I said, pull the connection off, pull the horn off, clean up those two areas, the connection and the horn area. Make sure they make a nice solid connection. Car buff said to look into the relay, see if the relay's got an issue. Sometimes the harness that is located in the firewall with your feet underneath may be hitting the rubber by the harness, and those wires are 26, 28 gauge, may be frayed and broken. You never know what could happen to the horn. Does the horn randomly go on when you're in the house, outside, or does the horn, like you said, goes off only while you're driving? And if it does, that sounds like a faulty ground. I hope we can understand better the issue. You have to diagnose the problem, and that can cost money if you're not handy trying to figure it out right then and there. Certain cars, the horns are located right here with my finger, and the wiring would trace along the side in the harness and come up into different areas of the car. One of the good reasons why I showed you on a different car than a recent car, so you could get an idea where they put the horns. I hope somebody can come forward and give you more advice and suggestions of what to do. And we do thank you for joining and trying to figure out your issue on Honda CrV OC. Have a great day.